when I finally get it on thick enough. And stay tuned, at the end of this video, I'm going to pull it out of the washing machine. I figured what better way to test it than to put it through the washer. Okay, and here is it going into the washing machine. See that? I threw it in, started it up, put some soap in, of course. Let it run its full normal cycle with clothes in there. And now I'm getting it out of the washer, and look at that. The stretch is good, the color's good, the sealer survived better than the non-sealed. So if you're gonna do this on vinyl, you definitely use the sealer.